In this video I'm going to show you how to get Instagram ideas for your profile. Now this will be by using ChatGPT. You can open it on your phone or on your browser. But once you open it up, you must ask it something like, give me ideas for my Instagram account that's in the fitness niche. You ask it and then you basically wait for ChatGPT to give you some ideas. When it gives you enough ideas you want, you can then tell it, I like the idea 13, make me a video script. And then he knows, of course, what was the idea 13, and now it has written me a full-on video script. Now you can play around with it and say something like, make it 20 seconds long, make it this and that, use this tone, blah blah blah. But that's basically it, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you out, subscribe, like and leave a comment, this helped me out. If it didn't, let me know what was the problem and I will do my best to help you.